Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT DWE7485 1/4 inch table saw. This is one of the most powerful and portable table saws, easy to transport from one point to another without any hassle. Even it is easy to adjust along with a variety of cutting edges that make it more efficient than the regular table saw. Further, the powerful DEWALT's motor allows users to finish a majority of applications. The rack and pinion fence leaves fast, easy adjustments and provides the capacity to tear 4x8 sheet goods. Its metal roll cage makes sure job site strength. No one can dislike, including a non-through riving knife, which is excellent for grooving and dadoing, or deep cuts once you got to cut from each side of the board. A touch difficulty is deciding whether to stay wood straight, needed to form an adjustment to correct it, but if you read the manual, which you should, it had been much clearer. If you would like a beginner table saw or employment site table saw, this is often an ethical choice. It's well built and works all right if you recognize the way to adjust properly. This saw is also a great little saw for fine woodworking finishing. Do you know that you can store the fence with ease under the table or other tools? It is possible due to its accurate and quick pinion fence and rack. When you set up the full table, it works overall great. Why? Because this lightweight saw provides you with experience just like as a contractor. It is highly recommended for all contractors. Another thing is the affordable price considering the quality of buying this product. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SKILSA PT99110 portable table saw. Need a compact and lightweight table saw at an affordable price? This one is another SKIL product coming with easy transportation around the job sites along with dual-field motors. Most importantly, it allows you to cut the toughest applications without all hassle. Whatever you want to cut, large materials or thick wood, it works great for all conditions. Because it is made from high-quality materials to work seamlessly. Not only a few times, but you can also get a smooth and accurate cut every time from this portable worm drive table saw. Also, you are satisfied to use the quick fence adjustment. What types of cut you want and where you place this tool, depends on your preference. Don't think the reasonable price indicates the poor quality. But the authentic story is that this saw can break down eventually if you create a lot of pressure or don't know how to use it. Anyway, it is also possible to use for fabrication and woodwork projects. As a professional carpenter, you can utilize it for a longer period due to the support of cooler machines. Another feature, it can cut through more than 2-5/8 inch depth together with a 25-inch rip capacity. At number 3, we have the Bosch Power Tools 4100-10 table saw. Want a must-have aluminum item? Does that contain an easy and quick folding ability? Bosch 4100-10 inch electric table saw is the right one. So you can keep it in your garage after use. Either it is a home foundation work, or framing or trim carpentry work, and implying no probs to this heavy-duty one without risks. Because we found 2 pneumatic tires that help move from room to room with 8 inches standing. Take advantage of 4 HP and 25 inches rip capacity. Incorporates with soft start circuit. That enables rapid ramp up. Also, it minimizes the tripping breaker. Includes a smart guard system. It consists of an adjustable riving knife and blade guard. You will find more schematic with this portable one for any on-site home jobs. The worst side is that it is quite hard to adjust the blade as well as rip fence for beginners or first-time users. Is it a great saw to build for the job site? Yes, because it is beefy, not too heavy, and it can hit a standard balance. Once adjusted, you get all of the benefits for a longer time. Adjusting blade parallel is a trial, hard, and error process. So, what can you do? First, according to the manufacturer's instructions, you unlock the 4 screws carefully. It is good to start from your saw. Place the blade in the back left side to the right side and fasten the screw. Then, loosening the front of the saw's lock lever for adjusting blade angle. Next, check the holding housing and tighten the front housing screws. Then, lock all the screws and check for parallel blade adjustment. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DWE7485, 10-inch with 32-1/2-inch rip capacity. Different and Pro graded from the previous series 745 and 744 includes a 2.5, larger dust collector and 32.5, rip fence. Which becomes a better one with 4,800 revolutions per minute. The 32.5, rip capacity, as well as the 15-amp motor, is enough to cut different hardwoods quickly. Not only hardwood materials but also easy-to-cut trim equipment and vast shelving. It allows adjusting all components and fences with accuracy and smoothness. Easy to fix the rolling stand. It doesn't matter if you want to cut a narrow rip. On the other side, its 2.5 dust collector contains an easy port connecting system along with enough space for working with lots of dust. Comprising a riving knife, wrenches, and push stick. Also, blade guards assemble and cord wrap while resting. In terms of the onboard storage system, no matter in case of cabinet installation, railing, or hardwood flooring. Framing lumber or sizing materials about 3 inches thicker. With a 24T 10 inches blade from the leading manufacturer DEWALT. The poor side is its unsuccessful size and fixed blades, not variety. Another benefit is the amazing rubber wheels underneath the table saw, that roll over curbs, steps, and job site regarding. The saw is removable, holding breakdown stability. Compatible with beginners woodworking on a tight budget. So, it is adjustable, portable, and an amazing table saw within a short budget for experts or beginners. DEWALT DWE7485 rupee saw is another good portable saw for general home usage and tiny cabinet making needs. And finally at number 1, we have the SKILSA SPT99110 10-inch table saw. Next, up is the SKILSA SPT99110 10-inch table saw, a flat-surfaced portable table saw where budget doesn't factor. It is a perfect one for hobbyists who are ready to invest more in getting powerful tools. This manufacturing company is popular with some of the favorite iconic power tools such as a circular saw. They always try to design the best performing table saws. A cast aluminum table offers precise measurement cuts of home repair projects. As the manual states of 30 to half an inch rip capacity as well as 3-5/8 inch depth of cut. Also, easy load handles and 16-inch wheels with rugged rolling stands are perfect for mobility. However, it is a highly interesting matter to contain lots of debris. Its dust port elbow always cleans the areas. Comes with a 4 2/5 HP and 15 amps powerful motor so working fast and accurately. Even this job site table saw delivers high-speed blades, of course, 5,000 RPMs. Like other SKILSAW products, it provides you a great and pinion fence system that is adjustable smoothly and quickly. The awful thing is that it is farther expensive than the other ordinary portable table saws. But, there is no compromise on the quality of products. The most highlighted thing to choose is the SPT99110 10-inch table saw, a heavy-duty blade that can't be dull quickly like any chopping blade. Superb to cut through any thick plywood board. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.